Alright, welcome once again to another class by Intel Consults from Percentile Ejimike, Level 6. In this class, we're going to look at columns in MS Word, how to divide our work in columns, and the use of drop cap in MS Word. Okay, so these are this thing from our previous video. So I can select it, remove the format again, format painter, and remove this format clear off matter. So in this class we will look at how to make use of the layout option in our page setup. We are going to look at the column, and with column we can actually break our work into columns. Alright, so but before then, let's try to make our work to look nice, to look much more better. So what I can do is we can select our entire document. Okay, just triple click on this part, this margin part. You can click 3 times simultaneously, so that will make us to select every document. Or we can do what? We can press Ctrl A on our keyboard. Can press Ctrl A on our keyboard. So Ctrl A will help us to select all our documents. Okay. So coming here, I can give it a double line spacing of 2.0 line spacing to space it. Can justify the work by saying Ctrl J. Alright. So I can add drop cap. So I'll bring this back to the center by pressing this. I can add drop cap here by coming here. I can select this option here. It's called drop cap. Drop cap is what you always see in some textbooks, and it makes the first letter to be a big character. Okay, so when you do that, you can have it as a drop cap. Now we can divide our documents into columns by selecting where we want. I always prefer to select, because if I don't select and I just come to layout and I say column, maybe 2 columns, it's going to divide everything, including the title of my document, which in this case I don't want it to be part of it. So I can remove that and go and make selection. So from here I can select down to my entire document, and then I'll have to select down and then go to here. If I use 1 tree, I can say tree. So now I've divided my document into 3 sections. So I can also widen the margin. I prefer to control my margin from this ruler, okay, than going to margin here to control my margin. If you know how to use ruler very well, you can actually control your margin. So I can also control the spacing here by minimizing it from here. So if I want to widen it, I can also minimize it from here. So that's how you can actually create column in Microsoft Word. Thank you, and meet you in the next